up, everybody? Out here finally again, another adventure. This time at Sportsman Lake. Now, this lake, as you can see, if you know the spot, it's pretty freaking awesome. I don't see. One of the main reasons I like this lake, there's never anybody out here. There's the old truck. And I was able to hook up my tensile tent, which is freaking sweet. Look at that, man. Right in front of the water. Oh yeah. There's plenty of wood, so it's just that wood. Man, that fire was hard to keep going last night. All that wood is wet. Everything's kind of wet. So, but luckily, there's some down trees and stuff I cut up. So I wasn't too desperate. But yeah, this is a nice place. It's quiet. Look at that glass. The water's a freaking mirror right now. Yeah, I'm ready to get out there. If any of y'all watching out there, if you want to follow me on Facebook, I'll put the link down in the description and everything. Follow me on Facebook. I post where I'm going. If you want to meet me out here, cool, let's do it. I let people know where I'm at, and if you make it, you make it. If you don't, you don't. It's all good.
One of my best buds bought me a Blackstone for Christmas, and man, I couldn't have been more excited to use it. This will be the first camping trip I've used it. And another friend of mine told me about a sale for that backpack. So yeah, normally that backpack's as much as a freaking grill, but I got it on clearance. Yep, took full advantage of the Blackstone. He had me some onions, some eggs, some chorizo, and that hot sauce there. You see me pull up there a minute ago. It's called Samyang hot sauce. It's the spicy noodle sauce, and man, that sauce goes good on everything if you like spicy. That stuff is freaking delicious.
Woohoo.
Well, here I wanted to get everything packed and ready to go before venturing out, so as soon as I got back from paddling around, I was good to go home.
Now for you new kayakers out there, a little trick I learned from Dave Lindo at OKC Kayak. I'm lucky enough to have these quick disconnect paddles, but you know, I'm not going anywhere. It's a pain in the butt to kind of scooch. Take it apart, use the paddle sides, and just like skiing, shut off. You're good to go. Skeg down, smooth sailing. I got a ways to paddle.
From where I camped, right about here, up in this corner, it takes a little longer to paddle to because you're going all the way from there all the way up to this little area. You can actually put in a little closer right here. It's a ramp right there. That's where a lot of kayakers go normally. So if you ain't staying the night or nothing, I recommend this spot right here.
I don't quite remember it looking like this. It seems like it every single time I come here, this area changes. I remember last time it being kind of big and open. See if we can still even get back to this lake, especially this spot right here. It's constantly changing. Pretty cool. And this is exactly why I got hooked in the kayaking right here. These little freaking ways, there would be no way for a bigger boat to go through. Could be another way I'm supposed to go, but I don't know. This seems really, really thin. Ow. cool, man. This is friggin' awesome. It's like this is built just for kayaks. We're gonna pull this gig. Turn a little easier. Oh, wow. So I'm here now, and I'm gonna try to go up it, man. I wonder if I could. So I don't really want to get out. Oh, lost my grip. Losing ground. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, we're almost there. Taste it. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, beavers, man. You can tell by the wood. Chewed up ends. A bunch of jerks. Yeah. Woohoo. This is perfect. Perfecto. I'm sure because of those dams, probably hadn't been anybody back here in a long time. There he goes. Peking duck. Oh, bummer. So many obstacles now, man. They come back out here with the shovel and the axe. That's the end of that ride. Kind of cool, but big log in the way, man. Maybe if I had the paddle board, I'd try it, since it's lighter. But this, nah. If I had my long boots on, my waterproof boots, maybe. But, I made it decently far. I'm gonna get over these, all these dams I had to get over. Oh, here comes one. Let's see here. I'm gonna go full speed, baby. Just gonna forcefully go. I'm gonna go right. Yeah, right here. Try it. Here we go, baby. Oh, a lot less dramatic than I thought it was gonna be. There. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Oh. Lower, lower. There we go. Tree. Where'd that come from? So, I forgot that some paths are misleading in this lake. And the one you want to go down is nice and big and open, but you don't see it coming in because you're kind of forced to take the other route because it's more deeper. You're not forced, but you know, it looks easier, of course. But if you take the shallow route, you'll eventually run into this. This is what I was searching for. This is sweet. The other area was pretty cool, but this goes back a lot further. There's no wonder I didn't recognize anything. I just ran into a guy. Frickin' kayak rigged out the wazoo, man. Pretty nice. I was actually reeling in a fish when I came up to him. They gave me some tips here and there that might come in handy. Might try some more fishing. Woo! There's a lot. But yeah, might go back to that area after I explore this and hit that for a little bit. Test my luck. But yeah, this area, this is what I was talking about, man. This nice and open. That's why I was so thrown off earlier. No idea. Then I started thinking about it. It's like, man, I remember last time we kind of had a hard time finding the right one. Sure enough, she's a hidden. What is this? Hold on, check it out. Let me get her straightened up. And these poles are put here by a person. Ooh, this thing is gross looking. Dang. Yeah, it's a freaking pond up above that. Hey, look at that, man. The water's getting clear. It's getting really nice. This is freaking awesome, man. This is the reason I really, really like this lake. This little creek back here. Just keeps it going. Keeps on going. On going. It's pretty freaking awesome. Oh, it's been a good 10 minutes skiing through some real shallow stuff, but I saw what I've been wanting to see this whole time. That is this awesome cliff face thingy. Like a little hidden gem back here. Oh, pretty cool, man. Alright, well, I ran out of battery after I got to that rock, so I had to stop recording. Didn't catch any fish. Bad luck, but always next time. Yeah, it was fun exploring. If you kayak, well, my other battery just died, so now I'm editing all this footage, which is good fun, but yeah, forgot to bring my charger, so that happens. Lesson learned, but that's what happens when you do last minute stuff like this. You forget a few things, but it's all good. I hope y'all enjoyed. See you on the next adventure. Okay.